This 2026 Lance TT 1995 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lance is 24 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleeps 4, Skylight, external shower, LP detector, air conditioning, Slideout, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, water heater, spare tire kit, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Lance TT 1995 is 4,465 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.